You can easily fix the P0171 engine code by cleaning the MAF sensor. P0171 code is set by your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, when it detects that the air-to-fuel ratio of your vehicle is too lean. This means that the PCM is relaying that the engine is receiving too much air into the combustion chamber and not enough fuel. Mass airflow sensor is a device in a car that measures the amount of air entering the engine. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment attached to the air cleaner housing. A faulty MAF sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. If you are getting a P0171 error code, here is one practical solution to fix the error code at home. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. So here's a practical solution to fix the P0171 error code. This engine code comes in various vehicles, most commonly comes in Nissan, Chevy, and Toyota models. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.